Welcome to Hardoi, a green oasis in the heart of Uttar Pradesh. Hello, fellow travelers. Today we're venturing off the beaten path to uncover the hidden gems of Uttar Pradesh. Join me as we explore Hardoi, a district brimming with history, culture and natural beauty. Situated in the fertile plains of the Ganges, Hardoi is a land of lush fields, meandering rivers and ancient traditions. Hardoi welcomes you with open arms and a gentle breeze. The district experiences a humid subtropical climate typical of the Gangetic plains. Summers from April to June can be quite warm, but the monsoon season arriving in July brings much-needed relief. The landscape transforms into a vibrant tapestry of green as the rains nourish the land. Winters in Hardoi are mild and pleasant, making it an ideal time to explore the great outdoors. From October to March, the weather is perfect for sightseeing and soaking in the local culture. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or a foodie seeking new culinary adventures, Hardoi has something special in store for you. So pack your bags, grab your adventurous spirit, and let's embark on a journey to discover the heart and soul of Hardoi. Every corner of Hardoi whispers tales of a bygone era. Stepping into this historic district is like opening a time capsule, revealing layers of rich heritage and cultural significance. Archaeological evidence suggests that Hardoi has been inhabited since ancient times. The region finds mention in the epic Mahabharata, indicating its historical importance.
Over the centuries, Hardoi witnessed the rise and fall of mighty empires. The Mauryas, Guptas and Mughals all left their mark on the region. During the Mughal period, Hardoi flourished as a center of trade and commerce. The Grand Trunk Road, built by Sher Shah Suri, passed through Hardoi, connecting it to major cities and facilitating economic growth.
The legacy of these empires is evident in the numerous monuments and ruins scattered across the district. Ancient temples, majestic forts, and intricately carved mosques stand as testaments to Hardoi's glorious past. As we delve deeper into our exploration, we'll uncover the fascinating stories hidden within these architectural marvels. Join me as we travel back in time and trace the footsteps of history in Hardoi. Hardoi is a land of fertile fields and hard-working farmers. Agriculture forms the backbone of the district's economy, providing sustenance and livelihood to a majority of its population. The fertile Gangetic plains, blessed with rich alluvial soil, are ideal for cultivating a variety of crops. Wheat, rice and sugarcane are the main crops grown in Hardoi.
The district is a major producer of these essential commodities, contributing significantly to Uttar Pradesh's agricultural output. In recent years, farmers have also started cultivating fruits and vegetables, diversifying their income sources and meeting the growing demand for fresh produce.
While agriculture dominates the landscape, Hardoi is also witnessing the growth of small-scale industries. Handloom weaving, pottery and leatherwork are traditional crafts that have been passed down through generations. These industries provide employment opportunities and preserve the rich artistic heritage of the region. The government is actively promoting these industries through various schemes and initiatives, empowering local artisans and boosting the rural economy. Hardoi's cultural tapestry is as vibrant and diverse as the colors of Holi celebrated here. The warmth of the people, their traditions and the joyous celebrations create an unforgettable experience for every visitor. The spirit of unity and diversity is beautifully reflected in the various festivals celebrated with equal enthusiasm by people of all faiths.
Holi, Diwali, Eid, and Christmas are celebrated with great fervor, bringing people together in a celebration of life and brotherhood. The air is filled with the sounds of laughter, music, and the aroma of traditional delicacies. Speaking of delicacies, Hardoi's cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors, sure to tantalize your taste buds.
From piping hot kachoris and samosas to the rich creamy sweetness of gulab jamun, Hardoi offers a gastronomical journey for food enthusiasts. Don't miss out on savoring the local flavors at roadside stalls and local eateries. The true essence of Hardoi lies in its people, their traditions and their warm hospitality. So come immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Hardoi and create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 5. Exploring Hardoi's treasures, temples, forts and scenic beauty. Beyond the bustling towns and villages, Hardoi unveils a world of natural beauty and architectural wonders.
The district is home to ancient temples, majestic forts, and serene rivers, each with a story to tell. For history buffs, a visit to the ancient fort of Bilgram is a must. This magnificent structure, dating back to the Mughal era, stands as a silent witness to the passage of time.
Another architectural marvel is the Jama Masjid in Hardoi town. Built during the reign of Aurangzeb, this mosque boasts intricate carvings and a serene ambience.
Nature lovers can find solace along the banks of the Ganges River, which flows gracefully through the district. A boat ride during sunset offers breathtaking views and a sense of tranquility.
For those seeking spiritual solace, the ancient temples of Hardoi provide the perfect sanctuary. The Hanuman Garhi temple and the Durga Devi temple are revered by locals and attract devotees from far and wide. Section 6: Education in Hardoi, nurturing young minds for a brighter future. Education is the cornerstone of progress, and Hardoi is making significant strides in empowering its youth through quality education. The district administration is committed to providing access to education for all, with a focus on girl-child education and inclusivity. Government schools in Hardoi are being upgraded with better infrastructure and facilities, including well-equipped labs and libraries. The midday meal scheme ensures that children receive nutritious food, encouraging regular school attendance. Alongside government initiatives, private schools and colleges are also playing a crucial role in shaping the future of Hardoi's youth. Vocational training centers are being set up to equip youngsters with practical skills, enhancing their employability and empowering them to become self-reliant. The focus on education is gradually transforming Hardoi into a knowledge hub, paving the way for a brighter future. Section 7: A Hardoi Connected, navigating the district by road, rail and air. Getting to Hardoi is convenient thanks to its well-connected network of roads, railways and airways. The district is well connected to major cities like Lucknow, Kanpur and Delhi. State highways and national highways crisscross the district, ensuring smooth and efficient transportation. The railway network in Hardoi is extensive, with regular train services connecting it to major cities across Uttar Pradesh and beyond. Hardoi railway station is a major junction, facilitating easy travel for both commuters and tourists. While Hardoi does not have its own airport, the nearest airport is Chaudhary Charan Singh International Airport in Lucknow, located approximately 110 kilometers away. From Lucknow, taxis and buses are readily available to reach Hardoi. Whether you prefer traveling by road, rail or air, Hardoi is easily accessible, making it a convenient destination to explore. Section 8: Sons and Daughters of the Soil. Notable personalities from Hardoi. Hardoi takes pride in its legacy of producing remarkable individuals who have made their mark in various fields. These sons and daughters of the soil have brought honor to Hardoi through their achievements and contributions. One such luminary is Zakir Hussain, the legendary tabla maestro. Born in a family of musicians, Zakir Hussain's exceptional talent earned him global recognition, and he continues to mesmerize audiences worldwide with his soul-stirring performances. Hardoi has also been home to freedom fighters, politicians and social reformers who have played a pivotal role in shaping the nation's destiny. Their stories of courage, determination and unwavering spirit continue to inspire generations to come. Section 9: Hardoi in the 21st century, addressing challenges, embracing progress. Hardoi, like many other districts in India, faces its share of challenges in the 21st century. Poverty, unemployment and lack of adequate healthcare facilities are some of the pressing issues that need to be addressed. However, the spirit of Hardoi lies in its resilience and its unwavering determination to overcome these challenges. The government, along with various NGOs and social organizations, is actively working towards improving the standard of living in Hardoi. Infrastructure development is a top priority, with ongoing projects to improve roads, bridges and power supply.
Healthcare facilities are being upgraded, with new hospitals and clinics being set up to provide quality medical care to all. Educational infrastructure is also being strengthened to ensure that every child has access to quality education. Hardoi is on a path of transformation, embracing progress while preserving its rich heritage and cultural identity.
Section 10: Hardoi, a hidden gem awaiting your discovery. As our journey through Hardoi comes to an end, I hope I've been able to share a glimpse of the magic that this hidden gem holds. From its ancient history and vibrant culture to its warm hospitality and breathtaking landscapes, Hardoi offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or an explorer at heart, Hardoi invites you to discover its hidden treasures and create memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, embrace the unknown and embark on an adventure to Hardoi, a destination that will surprise you at every turn. Remember, the true beauty of travel lies in discovering the extraordinary in the ordinary, and Hardoi is a testament to that. Until next time, happy travels.